This is a great reminder that the plug points into equation strategy sometimes just works right out of the gate, right? So we have plug points into equations because I have a bunch of equations in the choices, and these are points, right? We have to be able to read function notation. My laziness is always going to start me off, and I'm going to say, okay, let's do the laziest point, which in this case is 0, 41. So if I'm plugging in 0 for all these x's, I'm looking what gives me 41. So this would give me 0 plus 41, which works. This would give me 0. This would give me 0. This would give me negative 41. I'm done. I don't even need the other point. Now then, why did they give it to me? Well, I'm not going to bother to look at the College Board's explanation here because I don't really care. But I would bet, you can look it up for me and tell me if I'm right in the comments, I would bet that they want us to find the slope of this line, that they want us to do y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2 because we have 2 points and it is a line, they say it, and they would tell us to find that line, but or find that slope. But why bother? That seems like more work. There's higher chance of error, right? We could lose a negative. We could put things in the wrong places. We don't need to find the slope because we would, even if we did, we would still get 2 answer choices, right? Because B has a slope of -1 as well. So we'd still need to deal with that and find the y-intercept, which technically they're giving us because they're giving us the value of y when x is equal to 0. So we have all the pieces we need to build a line. But in school, you're forced to build a line, right? In school, your teacher makes you find that equation from scratch. On the SAT, we have 4 equations. We're just testing them out. That's what plug points into equations really is it's rather than find some equation in the universe out of all the possible infinite variations of equations, we're given 4. Test them out, see what works, get rid of what doesn't.